So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix any type of network issue in Samsung Galaxy A16 device. If you're facing cellular or Wi-Fi network issue, just follow these easy steps to fix. Go to your Galaxy phone settings app. In settings, go down and select General Management. Under General Management Settings, here you will find this reset option. Just tap on that. And now, if you're facing cellular network issue, then you have to reset your mobile network settings. So just tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings and tap on Reset Settings and verify your phone lock or pattern. Tap on Reset and reset your mobile network settings. After that, your network error will be fixed. And if you're facing Wi-Fi related issue, then here tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and just go ahead and reset your Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.